The James Webb Telescope, the crown jewel of modern space exploration, has just captured a shocking image of a mysterious object in space, sparking new questions among scientists and enthusiasts alike. This strange visitor, known as Oumuamua, has baffled astronomers since its discovery. But this recent observation might finally uncover the truth behind this enigmatic interstellar traveler. Could Oumuamua be more than just a wandering space rock? Is it connected to extraterrestrial life? Let's delve into this chilling story and explore what the new revelations might mean for humanity. Trust us, this is just the beginning of a tale that could leave you questioning everything you thought you knew about the universe. Back on October 19, 2017, a peculiar object streaked through our solar system, capturing the attention of astronomers worldwide. Named Oumuamua, which means scout or messenger in Hawaiian, this interstellar visitor wasn't just another space rock. In fact, it had been traveling through the galaxy for potentially billions of years before it was finally spotted by Robert Wyack, a researcher at the University of Hawaii, using the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope. What made Oumuamua so fascinating was not just its origin but its bizarre behavior. It didn't act like the comets or asteroids we're familiar with. Instead, it displayed characteristics that defied conventional understanding, igniting debates among scientists and fueling speculation about its true nature. Initially, scientists thought Oumuamua might be a comet due to its high speed and unusual trajectory. However, it didn't exhibit the usual comet-like behavior, such as releasing gas and dust when approaching the Sun. This lack of a visible tail forced astronomers to reconsider, and they tentatively classified it as an asteroid. But even this designation didn't fit quite right. Oumuamua's shape added to the mystery. Observations revealed it to be elongated, with an estimated length of 800 meters and a width of only 80 meters, a shape unlike any asteroid or comet previously observed. Moreover, its rotation caused it to brighten and dim periodically, suggesting a tumbling motion. This irregularity hinted at a robust structure capable of surviving the harsh conditions of interstellar space. Perhaps the most puzzling aspect of Oumuamua's behavior was its unexpected acceleration as it moved away from the Sun. Objects in space typically slow down as they escape a star's gravitational pull, but Oumuamua seemed to defy this rule. This phenomenon led some scientists to propose that the object might be propelled by non-gravitational forces, such as the outgassing of material. Yet, no such activity was observed. This unexplained acceleration led to a groundbreaking hypothesis: could Oumuamua be an artificial object, perhaps a solar sail designed by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? Avi Loeb, a Harvard astrophysicist, suggested this possibility, arguing that the object's characteristics matched what one might expect from a thin, reflective structure designed to harness solar radiation for propulsion. Since its discovery, Oumuamua has inspired a host of theories. Some scientists believe it could be a fragment of a larger object, perhaps a planet or moon that was torn apart by gravitational forces in another star system. Others suggest it might be composed of exotic materials, such as hydrogen ice or nitrogen, which could account for its unusual properties. But the idea that has captured the public's imagination is the possibility of Oumuamua being an alien probe. Could it be a reconnaissance device sent to study our solar system? Or perhaps a relic from a long-extinct civilization, drifting aimlessly through the cosmos? Fast forward to the present day, and the James Webb Space Telescope has provided a fresh perspective on this enigmatic object. Equipped with unparalleled imaging capabilities and advanced spectroscopic instruments, the telescope has captured a detailed image of Oumuamua, reigniting interest and debate. The image reveals unexpected details about the object's surface and composition. Preliminary analysis suggests that Oumuamua may have a metallic or rocky exterior, coated with a thin layer of organic compounds. This discovery raises intriguing questions about its origin and the processes it has undergone during its interstellar journey. One of the most tantalizing questions surrounding Oumuamua is whether it could be a product of alien technology. The object's smooth, elongated shape and unusual acceleration have led some to speculate that it might be a defunct spacecraft or a probe sent to gather data about our solar system. If this hypothesis holds any merit, it would have profound implications for our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The discovery of extraterrestrial technology would confirm that we are not alone, potentially opening a new chapter in human history. While the alien probe theory is exciting, many scientists remain cautious. The lack of definitive evidence means that Oumuamua's true nature remains a mystery. However, its brief visit has highlighted the importance of studying interstellar objects and developing the tools needed to observe them more closely. As Oumuamua continues its journey out of our solar system, it leaves behind more questions than answers. Yet, its discovery has already had a profound impact, inspiring scientists and the public alike to look up at the stars and wonder about the unknown. The study of interstellar objects is still in its infancy, but Oumuamua's visit has accelerated progress in this field. Future missions, such as the proposed Comet Interceptor and projects using the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, aim to detect and study these celestial wanderers in greater detail. Meanwhile, the James Webb Space Telescope continues to push the boundaries of what we know, capturing stunning images and data that deepen our understanding of the cosmos. Its observations of Oumuamua are just one example of its potential to revolutionize astronomy. Oumuamua may have already left our solar system, but its legacy endures. This mysterious object has challenged our assumptions, ignited our imaginations, and reminded us of the vastness and complexity of the universe. Whether it was a natural phenomenon or an artifact of alien technology, Oumuamua has undoubtedly made its mark on human history. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we must remain open to the unexpected and the unknown. Who knows what other mysteries await us among the stars? One thing is certain, the story of Oumuamua is